Welcome to Study Loop.
Hey everyone, this is question number 40 in chapter 6. This problem is about a roller coaster. It's released from rest here at point 1. It goes through its track, and we're asked to find the speed at points 2, 3, and 4. So I went ahead and wrote out these equations, but all this problem is going to be is about conservation of energy. We're told that friction doesn't matter, so it's just going to be potential and kinetic energy, all right? So let's start with point 2. Speed at point 2. We're just going to go from 1 to 2 here. It's released from rest, so the velocity at 1 is going to be 0, so kinetic energy isn't going to be in this equation. So we're going to have mgh1 equals, we've set this 0 to be at the 2 points, so that height, potential energy there is going to be 0. We're just going to have 1/2 mv2 squared. Mass on each side of the equation cancels. We're not even given mass. And solve this equation for V2, and you get V2 equals the square root of 2gh1. Plug in our numbers. 2 times 9.8 meters per second squared. H1 we're given as 32 meters. Plug that into your calculator, and you get 25 meters per second. That's the speed at point 2. All right, so now we go to point 3. Again, we're just going to do conservation of energy between points 2 and 3. So I'm going to do P3. So we're going to have 1/2 mv. You can actually do it between points 1 and 3. So mv1 squared plus mgh1 equals 1/2 mv3 squared plus mgh3. All right, I'll go ahead and show the cancellations on this one. So velocity at 1 is 0. We're told that it started from rest, so that's going to cancel out. And let's see, do we have any other cancellations? Don't think so, because we have a velocity at 3 and we have a height at 3. So we can go ahead and solve that equation for V3, which is over here. Just a lot of algebra. Rearranging this equation, V3 equals 2g h1 minus h equals kinetic energy at point 1. We know that it's going to cancel and go equal to 0 because we are told that it starts from rest. So we just have mgh1 equals 1/2 v4, we're on V4 now, plus mg h4. All right, solve that equation for v4 by rearranging, and you get the square root of 2g. It's actually going to be the same thing, h1 minus h4. Plug in our numbers, you get 2 times 9.8 meters per second squared times the difference in heights, which is 18 meters. And plug that into your calculator and you get 19 meters per second.